My name is Zach Meeks. I'm a Georgia wrongful death attorney at Meeks Impact Law. Let me first say, if you're watching this video, you've probably had a tragic situation happen with a family member or a friend. I know that you're going through a lot of pain right now, you and your family, and let me just say I'm so sorry for your loss. Losing a family member or friend is one of the most difficult things you can go through in life. And so it's important to have partners around you to support you and help you. In particular, if the loss of the family member or friend resulted from someone else's negligence or wrongful conduct, it's important to have an attorney on your side who understands what you're going through, who has seen this before, and knows how to help you through the legal complications of a wrongful death case. So you may be wondering, how do I move forward with a potential case? First, understand that there are two potential cases. One, claim of the estate. The estate is owed potentially for medical bills and also the pain and suffering of the person who is deceased. The second claim under the Georgia wrongful death statute is held by the family, and that is for the full value of the life of the decedent. So you may be wondering, what is the full value of the life? Well, there's two things that can be claimed, both the tangible and the intangible value of the life. Tangible is things such as, what would the decedent, the person who is deceased, what would they have made as far as money in the future? Something that is intangible are the lost relationships with family and friends, or what that person expected to do going forward with their life. Those tangible and intangible things are all compensable under the law. You also may be wondering, who can bring the wrongful death action? Well, first, it would be the surviving husband or wife. If there is no husband and wife, then it would then fall to any surviving children of the deceased person. And if there are no surviving children, if there's any parents, then the parents or guardian would be able to bring the wrongful death claim. So it's important to get a wrongful death attorney involved as soon as possible on the case. In Georgia, you have 2 years from the date of the death to file a lawsuit to preserve your claim. Accordingly, this is a time-sensitive matter that needs to be handled professionally from the outset. Here at Meeks Impact Law, we're here to make sure that the case is properly thought out, that we develop the evidence necessary to prove the case, and that your rights are protected. It's important that while you're grieving during this time, that you have an attorney manage the legal implications and all the things that are involved with the wrongful death case so that you can focus on what's important right now, and that's grieving the loss of your loved one or friend. While no amount of money can compensate you for everything that you're going through right now, it is important that you make sure that you get the case properly evaluated. And here at Meeks Impact Law, that's what we can do for you. At the appropriate time, we can sit down, speak about what happened, we can discuss with you what your legal rights are, and then let you decide how you want to proceed with the case. If you are experiencing the loss of a loved one at this time, please feel free to reach out and give us a call for a free, no-cost consultation so we can provide you information about your case so you can make the proper decisions you need to make to move forward.